Stranded together, our worlds have collided. This won't be forever, so I try to
Okay,
find
मेरे
it.
गुरु, wish you a very happy 22nd birthday. बहन चौथ 22 साल के हो गए हम दोनों. याद है that time when we were like 15, 16 and in grade 8th and we had a crush on the same girl? Ruchika, Akshay will tell you all about that. To क्या कहूँ, like, thank you for being the brother I never had. Thank you for being my inspiration. Thank you for being the person I look up to and being the person I want to be like. We've had so many great experiences. Like every moment I've spent with you has been memorable. Every single day, I wish I was back in India spending time with you and Prabal. Thank you for being an important part of my life. I know this wasn't supposed to be emotional and this was supposed to be like an embarrassing video for you, but I just had to say this. There are good ships and wood ships and ships that sail the sea. But the best ships are friendships, and may ours forever be. Have a great party ahead. I know Ruchika and your friends have planned a wonderful party. Get fucking wasted. I wish I was there, but get fucking wasted. I'll see you soon. 26th, Lucknow. We're having fun, bitch.
Happy birthday, Akshay. Have lots of fun. Have an amazing year ahead. And if I have to talk about some incident, एक ही चीज़ आती है दिमाग में कि कुछ भी हो, कोई भी सिचुएशन हो, एक बंदा है जो सब सॉल्व कर देगा आसानी से और आपको सिचुएशन से बाहर निकाल देगा, वो है अक्षय. So be the way you've always been. All the best for everything.
Surprise asshole.
Take
Happy
care.
birthday, Harami. Happy 22nd. So this is a big day for you. And so enjoy to the fullest. And I know Ruchika has planned a crazy and happening scene for you in Delhi. So party hard.
And I just want to say there are many words to describe you, like Kutta, Kamina, Harami. But for me, it's Guru. You are my Guru, you are my Guru, and you will always be my Guru. Happy 22nd. And I just want to tell you another thing that we both planned to come to Delhi, but unfortunately कुछ ऐसा हो गया कि नहीं आ पाए. But हम लोग पूरा कोशिश चाहते थे कि हम तुम्हें सरप्राइज दे.
And yes, so we, as you know, you have his, like, we have a pretty good scene planned in Lucknow
Good
as well. So get your ass as soon as possible to Lucknow.
Exactly.
And don't exhaust your party good and Delhi like you always do, otherwise we'll beat you.
Okay, चलो bye. Take
And
care.
and सब लोग please उसको अच्छे से bumps देना.
हाँ, जितना मार सकते हो मारना. चलो, okay, bye. Happy birthday once
Happy
again.
birthday once
Enjoy
again.
to the fullest. Party hard and come back soon.
Happy
Bye.
birthday, Akshay. Have a great year ahead, and we all love you. Happy birthday.
हाँ भाई, हैप्पी बर्थडे लौंडे. 22 साल के हो रहे हो. वेलकम टू द क्लब. फाइनली बड़े हो गए हो. और मेरी बात मान, 1-2 साल और नौकरी कर ले, फिर छोड़. मुझे भी पता है तू काम वाम करने वाला नहीं है. हमें कैफे ही खोलना है टुवर्ड्स द एंड ऑफ इट. और कैफे का आइडिया मैं पब तक लेके जा रहा हूँ. फटाफट बड़ा हो, राइट? जल्दी से हमारे क्लब को ज्वाइन कर. और अब पार्टी कर रहे हैं 19 तारीख को. 19 को 18 को.
Oh my God.
18 को कर रहे हैं भाई. 18 को कर रहे हैं. माय बैड. चल हैप्पी बर्थडे.
Akshay, साले कुत्ते. Happy birthday. May you get everything you want in life. Blah 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 blah. ठीक है. May you get the hottest chicks. नहीं, रुक चुका है. May you get the best out in life and oh, you always have me as your friend. That's the best birthday that you can have. Okay. And fondest memory. I can't say, but मुझे पता है कि तू समझ जाएगा. So this is the funniest memory I have. Vaklu. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! You finally 22. 3 more years for legal drinking age. As if that matters. Anyway, so the fondest memory that I have of you is, I don't think I can describe any one fondest memory that I have with you, because there have been many and you probably know which ones mean more to me than the others. Other than that, I just want to promise you this birthday that I plan to stick by your side for many more birthdays to come. And I hope you get all the happiness and all the joy in the world. Love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Hi.
Happy birthday. Here's wishing you a musical happy birthday. Have a great year ahead. You are one of the smartest people I know. You're really motivated, hardworking. I see that. Stay that way. I've been asked to share one memory of you, and that would have to be the time you played the flute. And I must say, it was a really enchanting experience. So thank you for that. Keep it up. Don't give it up. Have a great year ahead. May you get all the happiness you deserve. Enjoy.
Happy birthday, bro. Have a great year ahead. Hope you enjoy the most. Bye bye.
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू द मोस्ट कमीने इंसान दैट आई नो एंड सीरियसली कमीने में सिर्फ सेंसरशिप के नाम पे कह रहा हूँ अदरवाइज इट्स जस्ट बीप 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 एंड सो ऑन एंड सो फोर्थ ब्रो हैव अ ग्रेट 22nd बर्थडे ज़्यादा विशेस ब्ला 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 मैं नहीं दूंगा तुझे कमिंग टू वन ऑफ द एम्बैरेसिंग मोमेंट जो मुझे याद है तेरे साथ जो हम सबको याद है फॉर दैट मैटर बट स्टिल जस्ट टू पॉइंट इट आउट तो जब हम गोवा से आ रहे थे एंड तूने और मैंने थोड़ा सा एक स्पेशल टैटू कराया था यस यस यू रिमेम्बर व्हाट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट एंड खैर तूने मुझे बहुत गालियाँ दी थी स्पेशली ट्रेन पे क्योंकि तेरा टैटू थोड़ा सा बैकफायर कर गया था कि जो स्पेशल टैटू करवाया था इट had the letter which it should not have and I think I'll keep it to that but that was one of the funniest and the most interesting moments that I remember we've had together बहुत सारे बहुत कमीना कर पंती करी है बहुत बहुत मस्ती करी है हमने 3 साल में तेरी छत पे तेरे लैंडलॉर्ड के साथ और दीदी के साथ भी बहुत बहुत मेमोरीज हैं and it's good to have such a friend like you and I'll keep it to that Have a great day. बहुत अच्छे सेलिब्रेशन हो रही है विला में. That's great going and hopefully see you soon. Bye.
Hey Vaklu, wish you a very happy birthday and hope you have the best birthday ever. Wish you all the love and success and I hope you really like the surprise we're sending you. So just want to say thank you for always being there for me and being such a good friend and support to me. Thank you for that. And I guess it's already been around 6 years of a good friendship and I hope to cherish that forever. So have lots of fun, lots of love. Bye.
Hi Akshay, happy birthday. Hope you're having an amazing day, amazing time. You're the coolest person. You know how much I love you. See me more often and we need to party. Love you, Meri Jaan.
Hello, Meri Jaan. Happy birthday. I love you so much. Now go read that letter that I gave you.
बेबी का ये बर्थडे बैट शौर्य बहुत गलत तरह से फेंका है हैट ने बट ब्रो हैप्पी बर्थडे हाँ 22nd हाँ are we chilling huh shizzing huh okay anyways on a more serious scale a very very happy birthday you're turning 22 that's great that's amazing it's been a great ride so far terrific ride and I remember I want to narrate how our friendship actually started off. It was the day before I had to submit my fees to the college and I came to college and the counter there, the fees counter was closed. फिर मैंने सोचा अच्छा ठीक है कोई बात नहीं वेट कर लेंगे फिर तू आया and then you sat down. Right before all this happened, right before I came to Delhi, my papa told me अच्छा बेटे तो ध्यान रखना वगैरह अपने दिल्लीites थोड़ा रफ होते हैं गाली वाली देते हैं ज़्यादा तो please stay away from them. मैंने अच्छा ठीक है okay dad I will take care of myself. तब तो बहुत मासूम बच्चा था you know that and then let's come back to where I was talking about तब ये हुआ था तू आके देखा था काउंटर बंद था what will you do you said भैंचोद ये लोग लंच कितने देर खाएंगे तूने भैंचोद बोल दिया मैंने पहली बार वो गालियाँ सुना मतलब that was the first गाली I heard from your mouth and according to my father I should have stayed away from you but साले 3 साल के बाद देख we are roommates and I am really glad I got to know you it's been
and you speak an equal amount of galis
yeah and I still speak the same number of galis as you maybe probably more also so mother next no stop there
happy birthday Janab so you're turning 22 man you're getting old I mean with all these coming years you're getting more mature and focused and diligent but that's all crap bottom line is you're getting old But anyways, moving on. I wish you success in all your future endeavors and Scorpios and Pajeros. That was nice. Chilling, but yeah. But bro, you rock and you're the best. And just keep rolling, brother, please. You rock, bro. May you have an amazing one and great year ahead. See you soon, bro. You're the best.
Happy birthday, Akshay. I'm so sorry I can't make it. And you know the reason. Yeah. And I'm missing all the fun. But just have a blast. It's your day. Enjoy. Obviously, you're going to do that. I'm missing the fun. I'll meet you soon. Don't be angry. I'm really sorry. I'm at a loss here. Happy birthday once again. Have fun and have a great year ahead.
They have a great day ahead and have a blast at the party on 18th. And I've been told to share a memory with that I had with you. That would be losing all my money to you guys in Bangkok. Hope that does not happen again next year. And have a great time ahead and a great year ahead. Happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday, Akshay. Wait. Check it. I'm not.
No, that didn't start properly. As in, you click.
Happy birthday. Again. अबे क्या करना है? कौन सा बुक पढ़ रहा है इधर?
Okay, let's start.
भाई
यार रुक जाओ.
कौन बुक सकता है? मैं हूँ इसका मीनिंग है. हाँ ऐसे कर सकते हैं ऐसे.
भाई start up.
Improvise कर लें? Okay, fine. 3, 2,
रुक जाओ. अब स्टार्ट है क्या?
3, 2, 1, go.
Happy birthday!
Hey brother, wishing you a very happy birthday and a year filled with lots of success. May your life always be filled with joy, happiness, laughter and lots of blue lays. And since it's my message, you know it has to have okay, I'll leave the rest up to your creative mind. Anyway, have a good day, have a blast, cheers.